Alrighty, good morning. Let's see what we got here today. Q's a small gap down, but now moving up nicely. I'm really liking IBM short. If it can get under this, under 133 nicely. Well, I guess technically it's already there. That low is 132.78. It's bouncing 132.50. So this may actually end up being a long idea instead. SPY. Q's. DIA. Let's look at Neo. What has that been doing the last few days? Whoa, straight up. Kind of like the weird bicep on daily. Maybe I'll give it a watch. You know, $2 buy setup. And the spread on this thing is crazy. Well, it's not that bad. About 10 cents. Ooh, this is forming an interesting buy setup here. What is the high? 87.50. Let's do the whole dollar. Alright, able to readjust the order. I like the look of this candle. Let's see what else we got. I might end up canceling this if it goes any lower.
Order filled.
No need, I'm in. Alright. Really would love to see this thing just rip VWAP and see what happens. IBM's lower. No, not interesting. Oh, already in this one. This one's now moved to the red. But this weakness on this gap up is just crazy. This is just really weak. Don't like this chart though. AT&T could be getting on this gullet here. Could be ready for a nice move up though. Who knows really? Neo still moving. Another buy setup, but yeah, I don't like these short, snippety stocks like this. Never have. I'd put it on a buy setup, but really far away from where I'd be interested in taking it at. Tesla ripping. IBM still falling. No pattern. Maybe it'll give us a pattern a little bit later today. DHR's pulling back up. Wow. 50-cent spread. I don't know how I feel about this. If it was less spready, maybe. Like each of these bars is $5. So it'll be, man, I don't know. It's 5. It'll be have to drop a lot. Today it's already put in more than a full day's move. Man, this is crazy. Bouncing like crazy. Nothing. Let's see what DWAC is doing. Nothing yet. Excuse me. It's a NASDAQ stock. Qs are ripping. I mean, this is a pretty, like if it can just, oh, new high is nice. Yeah, let's see it get past this VWAP here. Oh, nicely done. Where's the VWAP on this chart here? Don't know. Only there's a little V. Only it actually says VWAP. Awesome, almost to 1R. Once it hits 50 as a high, it's a high 47. Alright, just crossed it. Now I'm at half risk. I mean, I don't know why I'm liking half risk at 1 times risk better than break even. Alrighty, had a coffee break, or coffee sip I should say. Really curious to see what's gonna happen here. I wonder if we're gonna see follow through, or I'll be sad I didn't raise my stop to break even. Let's see what else we got out here. Nothing on Crocs. Alley, nothing really. It's really interesting how much it pulled back. This is just dying. T is doing nothing. Neo's ripping nothing on Diddy. Net's still moving higher, but it's gotten very consolidated. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Tesla ripping. It's interesting how similar those are. They're two different exchanges. I mean, I guess they're technically both tech, I guess. IBM might be starting to set us up with a sell setup. DHR. Ah, man, this is a tempting sell setup too, but oh, I don't know. I really don't know.
Order filled.
Oh, order filled. Oh yeah, nice. Hit full target. This short seems really interesting. Very nice trade there. I was a bit skeptical, but hey, ended up working out. Like what's weird is like just look at this last few days, man. It's been nothing. Yeah, don't like that. I don't think I'm even gonna try to borrow any shares of that. AT&T, no. Neo, no. See what IBM's doing. It's really hesitating at 132. It's having a hard time breaking that level. Curious to see if I should hold that or not. I don't know. I'm really happy about that trade. Alrighty. Now just looking for the next thing. Looking at my thumbnails. IBM starting to rip up. Well, that's an aggressive thing to say about that. Maybe it might be giving us a sell setup here. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. No. No. I don't know, maybe this might be an interesting, if I can get the fill to stock, I might take that again, but maybe not. This could be a short right here, but I really don't know. Really don't know. It's like a 25-cent spread. Net, I don't know. Tesla, same thing. It's weird how similar these look. IBM's, I mean, you could kind of call that a bear sandwich. Wonder if it's going to go lower here. Wonder if it's going to break the 32. I mean, if it does, there's no real entry. Like, you can't trade this. I mean, I guess technically you could trade the barcodes, but who wants to, man? That's stressful. Alright, so looks like it's pushing lower. Let's see what's going to happen. A lot of buyers at, oh, look at all those shares. Whoa, 100,000 shares printed at 32 even. Man, 140,000 shares. Sheesh. A lot of buying coming in. That may very well be the bottom. I don't know though. It ate those shares like crazy. Yeah, pull up. It's hard to say what's going to happen with this. Oh. Hmm. I don't know. I mean, nothing on this looks interesting. 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 60 daily. There's nothing. Let's look at the 30. See what that looks like. Oh, duh. Same thing as the 60. Well, not the same, but. Huh. I really wonder if that was the bottom. I mean, I guess. I mean, look at it. Well, I mean, obviously, trend line goes down. That means you short. Could be a reversal here. I mean, big volume spike, hitting volume. I think this could be one candle. What was the shares printed? Volume. Does it show volume? No, okay. 274 plus 97. So let's just say right at 400,000. So a lot of sellers right there. Yeah, this is looking higher. No, I don't want to put money on it. Just because of those, you know, it's really hard to say. Really hard to say. Crocs is going down. Not much of anything's going on today. Q's went to the green for a second, then went back right down to the red. So it is hard to say. Let's look at some of these others. Ooh, good thing I didn't get in that one. That would have been ugly. This thing's already made back. $6, $7. Man. 6 minutes to lose $12 and then what, almost 30 minutes to make it back. Make back half of it. More than half now. Man, there's just not much today. Neo's coming back in. This may have topped out for the day. I mean, interesting setups here. Don't know if that would have hit target or not, but probably wouldn't have stopped out. Bit hard to borrow anyways, and that's on a long side stock, so gap up list. Now, I don't know about what my faith is for this to go higher here. It's starting to level out. Definitely was on a losing. Coming back, bounce up. Could give us another setup. I don't know though. Excuse me. Alright, my successful trade from earlier. Still ripping. Good for them. I don't care. This death here though is interesting. That's just hanging out. Tesla slowly moving down. Nasdaq Q's just pushed back into the green. Alright, looks like IBM is lower. I mean, it's already put in almost a full day's move, so I don't know if I want to do anything with it. I mean, IBM's just playing games right now. There's just no telling what is happening with it. I don't know, push a new high. Curious to see if that's actually might be along. I feel like it's just resting though. I mean, a move like that. I mean, it's down almost $10. So it's hard to say if it's tired or not. I don't know. $10 is a significant move. Like if this was a candle, it happened during the day, that candle would be huge. And it's probably not gonna no go much lower, but you know, stocks are irrational. You don't know what they're gonna do. Like on DWAC, I really wasn't sure if that was gonna hit target, especially considered like how much it's already moved compared to like the last, like since it opened, since it became a stock in October. I mean, it ended up doing it, so you know, you never know what stocks are gonna do. You know, I was thinking about this buy setup. I'm obviously really late on it now, but if it forms a second one, I'll be very interested. Like, look at those sellers just take control. What's crazy though, there isn't a lot of volume on it. Oh, that's weird. Alright, a lot of volume there, a lot of sellers got taken out. Yeah, you see, this is why I think this is reversing. Not a lot of volume here. It didn't take many buyers to push this price higher. You know, I'm like an alley. I want to wait for a second buy setup on that. I'll be interested. Maybe a little bit tight on the stop, but not too tight. JD is interesting, but man, is that thing whippy. No thanks. Sandals. It's too aggressive of a pullback. Too much chop. Barely retested the highs. What is the highs? Yeah, 39. That high is 44. Yeah, I went 4 cents over it. 48. No volume on either price. So, hmm. Oh wow, this thing's still pushing. That's nice. IBM's still playing with this price level. It's weird it's not getting much action. I don't know. I don't know if this is interesting or not. It very well could be. This thing could just die soon. Low on 90. If I did put in my order, it'd be at 89. It'll be a dollar stop. Yeah, it's really looking like a breakdown. Excuse me. Tesla moving up, net doing nothing. Nothing on Diddy. No, not interesting. TNT's doing the same thing as IBM. I don't know if I want to get in IBM or not. Okay, here's the most interesting one to me. Hmm. Is it holding 50? Yeah, it really is. It's the high of that 63. I really don't know. Wait, high is 63. Okay, VWAP 67. So that would be VWAP. That would be where I'd want to get in at 67 if I was to get in this. Don't know. Don't know. Maybe over 72, 75. I'm really tempted. I'll do it. 1 cent entry. Stop is at 36. If this goes under 50, I'm canceling the order, I think. Yeah, I'm out. Don't like it for some reason. IBM still putting in choppiness. Yeah, this could actually be sell setup setting up. Well, let's look at the 5-minute. Oh, the sell setup was over there. Yeah, the bigger trend of the day is definitely red. But markets are moving higher. Q's are already 45 cents in the money. SPY is moving up as well. It's not far from being green, like 18 cents. It's probably gonna go to green. Yes, I see now. That was a sell setup, is what that was. I should have been shorting that. Look at the volume spikes. Sellers are in control. Like, look at this daily candlestick. Right here it says all volume up is the upside, but here it's going to show me the volume is all down. Yeah, half and half. Yeah, that was definitely a sell setup. I was interested in it without realizing the bigger trend of the sell setup. If I would have seen that sell setup, that would have been really interesting. Probably got into it right at 56, maybe somewhere around there. Yeah. Wasn't moving higher. Well, I mean, I was expecting it to because it was on the long list. But, yeah, I definitely see that. Good, good, good. Alright, IBM looks like it's finally moving lower. Oh, still hasn't crossed that 90. I don't know. I don't know if I want to be a part of that or not. Excuse me. It's tough. It's really, 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 really tough. Alright, new lows. I'm just gonna stay out of it, I think. It's still just struggling to go lower. Hmm. That's a sloppy looking chart. JD, nothing interesting. Slop. Sandals still moving down. Yeah, this is very interesting. Man, big day for Tesla. A short here with a dollar stop. Or it could be a buy sit up. Oh, it very well could be. Look at the 5 minute. 50% back. Oh, that's actually a really nice buy sit up. 148 by 147 is too tiny, $2. I'm sure this will give us another pullback, another chance to buy. Call me crazy, but man, I like that buy sit up. Let's see exactly what that is. Hopefully it will pull back and let us get it by get into it. I really wish I would have saw that short on Alley. That would have been really nice. So this is a 30-cent spread. That's what I was saying, the $2 stop. Maybe actually only $1. I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen here. Taking my time, being patient. If I miss it, I miss it, who cares? Hmm. Yeah, look at Allie. Thing's just dying. Oh, what's the high of this? 50. Hey, Doug. I may have missed my chance to get in this. Thank you, Doug. Yeah, that was a pullback I was waiting for. I hesitated. A whole 50 cents over where I wanted to get in it. I could chase it, but I'm sure there'll be more opportunities throughout the day. Look at net just taking off out of nowhere. You know, I think with every failure, you get better. Like, you have to fail in order to succeed. I mean, you have to. Without these failures, I wouldn't be patient. I'd just be jumping in these things without, like, oh, I would have probably shorted that. And that would have ended very badly because I missed the buy setup on the 15 5-minute chart. Same thing with the alley. I'm so happy I noticed that this was actually a sell setup, not a buy setup. Sell setup, which will worked out beautifully, I might add. This might be the bottom, so it might be turning around. Maybe we could scalp 50 cents out of this. Don't know, but I don't know if I want to try that. Yeah, let me see, 100% retracement. I mean, it could bounce here, it could keep going, I don't know. Net popped up and came right back down again. On the famous HFT shakeouts. Alright, here we go, pushing new lows on alley. Let's see what happens. Ooh, tanking. Low a day. Definitely not a place to short this. There's a lot of buyers, it looks like, stepping up. So curious to see what happens. Very curious indeed. I don't know. We will see. Man, that would have been a nice short. Let's see. This is why you should never chase something. Because I would have got stopped out right there. That is 100% stop out. Another HFT shake. I feel like they're just going around just looking for things. Well, of course they are. Like, it doesn't matter if you're in the trade or not. You're going to get shaken out all the time. It's just a matter of paying attention. Alley's bouncing now. Yeah, see, like, if we would have chased this, it would have been, it would be hurting right now. I don't know. Let me see. If I would have chased it, got in right at the high at VWAP, so at 49.30. This went to 47.15. So 49, 48, 47.30. Yeah, it would have stopped us at our full $2 stop. Would have been hit. And that would have sucked really hard. Now, this is interesting. Getting at 150 or 148. Stop at 33, so only $1 stop here. But as you can see, it's too late. Missed that too. But what's the high? 50? This is tempting to get in. 148.50 is right here. That's really tempting. That is really, 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 really tempting. I don't know. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. You know what, let's go for it. 10 cents whip on it, even though it's spreading by 30 cents. Cancel button at the ready. And stop's gonna be 150. If I do get into this. Markets are ripping right now. Yeah, I'm staying away. Screw Crocs for the day. Let's look back at Alley again. Or this. Okay, already. See, no other real entry. I guess you could take the breakout. That would have been nice. You had $1 stop, so it'd just be only halfway there. Yeah, strong rejection. Not that interesting. I'll have the weakness here, but I don't know. I'm surprised Tesla is not whipping with the markets. SPY just went to green now, still longer red on the day. It is right equally with yesterday's close. I mean, look at Ali just dying. Wow. My goodness. That would have been a beautiful short, man. I just wish I would have recognized it for the short that it was instead of the long that I thought. So far today has been a really enjoyable trading day. You know, if you can just take your time, see it for what it is. It's just, it's a lot more enjoyable without the pressure, no stress. The 69-minute chart, 60-minute chart. I had the screens on my top monitor set to 30 minutes, but I don't really think I was getting as much out of it as I was the 60 minutes. Because you can just see how just out of control these markets are with a 60-minute chart compared to a 30-minute chart. I don't know, looks like buyers are stepping up for Alley. We'll just wait and see though. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Like, look at net, man. Rep came back. This might be about to fail. 179 by 80. This might be an interesting. Where is it? Right there. It is not getting over 180. 180, yeah, 700,000 shares. I think they're just done with this run. Like selling, selling, selling. Yeah, I'm gonna take this breakdown. I'll give it 20 cents. I don't know if I like the stop on this, so. Oh geez, this is about to fill me. Maybe not. Is there a volume spike here?
Order filled.
Oh, it did fill me. So I'm not gonna take $20 risk on this trade. 85, holy crap, man. Yeah, that looks good right there. With the, how much spread is it? Ooh, 30-cent spread. Alright, 66 is the price for there. So if I do get out, I'll get it to 70. I don't know if I'll get 40 out of this though either. Probably not. Man, 15 cents late, that sucks. Try to get him right there. Alright. I think that's good on the breakdown. I'm just curious to see if it just said another shakeout. I'm gonna move my stop on the 50. I'm not all or nothing this. Let's see here. Alright, 61 is my stop instead of 70. Want to see some new lows here? Let's go, baby, go. Alright, good. Sit at 61? Yeah. I'm gonna move it down to 60. There we go. I like that. Alley's looking interesting. Is that pulling up or is it setting up for another short sale? Or sale setup? I don't know. Man, IBM is still just dying. Wow, look at that. On that breakdown, 50-cent stop. 50 is almost heading down the target. Wow, that's crazy. Man, that's crazy. This thing's just been one direction all day. Okay, yeah, this is you know, this could be the setup for the secondary buy setup here. And which I promptly missed. Actually seeing this almost $2 bar really makes me want to stay away. Wow, that's doing nicely. Heading right back down. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Diddy, net. This very well could be just a shakeout or a shake-in trade. Maybe not. We shall see though. So each penny is 10 cents. So 750 stop is 75 cents. I think that's acceptable. Especially with the way it's moving now. I do think this is probably a bad trade. I should have bought it here. Wrote it back up. Maybe not. It doesn't matter. You know, like when you see a breakdown like this, it's like you expect it to go, not play around. But this was quite a long. Let me see this. I may have made another mistake. Not a 15-minute mistake, maybe a 60-minute mistake. No. Just didn't work, I guess.
Order filled.
It was worth a shot anyway, I guess. Yeah, that's done nothing. That was good. You know, it's trades like this is why like 5R, all or nothing, 10R, all or nothing is really good. Because this thing went 13. That's $4 with 50-cent risk. It says 8R right now. Like, that's crazy. Like once you find the good trades, it can really go. Excuse me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Hopefully you guys have a good day. I'll catch you later. Yeah, I hope you guys take care. See you later.